In this video, I will show you how to find real transparent images in Google search without any stress. Complete, full transparent or no background image of any type from your Google search. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser, and the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on images right here, and it's going to take you right here. Now go ahead and type in the name of image you are looking for. Like for instance, I'm looking for snake image. Hit enter. Then it's going to give you all the results right here. Now here you have about millions of results as far as different snake is concerned. From this snake here, how can you filter out the real PNG or transparent background among them right here? What you need to do is to simply come to the tool right here, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to color, then navigate to transparent right here. Boom, you have them all right here. So anyone you download from here is full PNG transparent. For you to confirm, if I click, take a look at this one right here. If I click on this one right here, and it takes me right here, boom, you have it in full transparent, just like what you see right here. So if you download it, you are getting it in 100% free transparent background, just like what you see in the description. So you can come back right here. So you can use this method to get any type of images from Google in full transparent. Let's say, for instance, we are looking for corporate men shoes. Now we have different men's shoes right here, just like this. So now how can we get them in full transparent background? For that, we want to come back to tool right here, come to the top right here, click on tool, then go to color, then go to color, from color go to transparent, and you have them all right here, just like so. Now if I'm interested in this one right here, so you have them all right here. So if you're interested in any one right here, like for instance, if I'm interested to get this, I'll click on it, and just like so, you have it 100% full transparent right here. You can use this method to get any image in full transparent without background as far as this method is concerned. Let's take a look at this one right here, and boom, you have it full transparent PNG format. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.